you are most welcome to my channel. So today I shall be taking you through my portfolio. It's just going to be a walk through to what I do, to what I am, and I get to know me exactly in details. So let's begin with my portfolio link, and that's going to be a link tree. And what this does, or what actually it has almost everything about me. And yeah, this is a simple portfolio that actually has all my links here. So let's start with the blog. So before I say I continue, I just blog, I tweet, I write, I code, I vlog, I discuss and eat anything about technology. I'm so passionate about technology, and majorly I do Python as my main programming language, and I also do JavaScript, learning Solidity, and yeah, that's it. I know a little bit of Kotlin. So let's start with my blog. So if I clicked my blog to direct me to my blog, then let me open all of them at once, and we get to see Discord server. I don't know if this is still alive. The link, online resume, Stack Overflow, my LinkedIn and YouTube channel, and Dribble. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to start with the first one that I clicked on, and that's the blog. So if you come, this is actually my blog, and it's actually hosted and on Hashnode, so it's domain redirected to my custom domain. That's something I did, but all this is actually hosted on Hashnode. So if you come to my blog, you'll see that my latest post has around 403 views. I have around 400 followers currently, and I write about different things, and I write about crypto, I write about technology, I write about programming, specifically majorly about Python. I do a lot of things basically on my blog, and you can see it's just basically a tech blog. And if you actually like what you see or what I do or what I write about, you could actually check it out, or leave the link in the description. So this is just basically, I'm just taking you through my blog, and here I was writing about extracting Wi-Fi passwords, and yeah, and my highest post so far, I think it has if you checked, let me check my highest post so far. If I went to let me first click on badges just to flaunt, and I earned crazy blogger badge just a few months ago, and I wrote a blog post every day for 7 days. That's what you do to earn this crazy blogger. I wrote 2 articles that took part in this challenge per week, per gold. This is a silver badge, this is a bronze badge, and a word warrior, more than 2,000 words. Self-starter, I'm not yet a year actually doing this, and I've been writing, but hosting this on Hashnode, it's just actually 10 months ago. So if I went down, this is the impressum. Okay, let's just go let's go to my settings. To do that, I'll have to first click let me click on edit Hashnode settings. That's why you could see the page ranks and the page views, probably. Not really, these are not blog settings I'm looking for. Let me just go back. Let me first go back to my blog. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Blog dashboard settings. So if I came and clicked on analytics, yes, so far my blog it has in 7 days has 1,000 views, and these in 30 days have 80,000 views, all time views. Wow, this is amazing. So yeah, that's it. And if you clicked, these are actually blogs I've written. They're all actually all listed here. And Hashnote does a very good thing of actually keeping our blogs like this. This had 1,000 views, 2,000 views. This had 8.9, close to 9k views. I think this is my highest. No, this ain't my highest. I have a blog that has around 16k views. But it's actually here. Hunt down social media accounts with Python Sherlock. It has around 17.4k views, almost 18k views. That's almost 18,000 people read my blog. Yeah, that's it about my blog. And yeah, I have series. I do series. I have a series about for example, if maybe let me just close this and this. I come here. I have Kotlin for Python developers. It's a series that I did. If you're interested in Kotlin and you're a Python developer, and this is architecture, you shall see it in a few. And you're really interested in what I do, you could actually buy me coffee. Yes, thank you so much. And yeah, that's it about my blog. So let's go to GitHub, and yeah, this is my GitHub. And I think currently okay, this is the new look, and I think I messed up with something. This okay. Let's move forward with it now. I have around 24 followers, and I hail from Kampala, Uganda, by the way. If you're new here, I have around 222 repos so far. And that's part of the work I do, personal and private work. It's all here. As you can see, these are private repos. And yeah, I'm around 5 or 4 organizations that we're doing stuff. And yeah, achievements, and my achievements, I have this YOLO, you merge it, and yeah, I unlocked it around March. I also have this achievement of Pull Shack and opening pull requests. Yeah, that's it basically. Maybe let me go back to overview and we scroll down. So this is basically how my portfolio on GitHub looks like. If you scan this, it will take you directly to the link tree. If you scan this, it will take you to the link tree portfolio that actually has all my links. This is the same link here. And if you continue, you see that programming, Python is my main language, and I've done CSS, JavaScript, EJS, HTML, PowerShell, Batch, Docker, and these are things I do basically. We've already seen some of them. Blog, shall see some in a few. So all my blogs which are latest, they actually are here. If you check to my GitHub, you could actually get to see all my latest blogs. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I've not done some pushing. I've been working on something, but yeah, this is 404 contributions in the last year. Yeah, basically I think I started in 2020, programming journey 2020. Yes, and yeah, that's it for my GitHub. And let's now move, let's close this. Let's go to my Twitter profile. Yes, I do social media content. I do content on Twitter, and this is my welcome page. So I have around 13.8k followers, and yeah, I do love Jesus, and this is my latest retweet. Yes, and yeah, that's it basically about Twitter. Nothing much, and nothing much I would want to talk about my Twitter. If you like what I do, please go. I'll leave the link in the description and be part of my following. So let me close that. I have Reddit. I love Reddit because I get to share a lot of stuff there. So as you can see, I have around 1,426 karma. Yeah, that's something to boast of. I have also around 12 followers on my Reddit, and yeah, that's it. And I use AfroBoyUG on my Reddit channel. And yeah, if you like what I do there, I also post content there. I ask questions. I'm involved in some communities. Yeah, that's it basically for Reddit. I have a Discord channel, and I think the invite has expired. Yes, I'm going to create a new one. And I also have this is my portfolio link. It's actually I want to fix this HTTP issue. It's actually my online bio that actually has almost everything also. So if you looked at it, it would just say welcome. I don't know why it's supposed to be HTTPS, because sometimes it brings HTTP and now it's HTTPS. As you can see, it's no longer bringing that error. Something needs to be rectified. This is my my portfolio page. This is where I go to introduce yourself. I think I've taken long without updating this. A few days, I think I should be able to update this. Yeah, but this is basically talking about my life, my education, and my work experience. You can actually download the CV from here. And if you clicked, for example, on download CV, let's click there. It would automatically bring us this PDF, and this PDF is actually my CV. You could download it here. As you could see, I'm currently take freelancing, and I do different things, data entrant, I do web designing, I do tech and troubleshooting, Python tutor, and yeah, that's basically it for my portfolio link, for my PDF and bio. So if I want to Stack Overflow, I've been a member for 1 year and I've been visited 160. No, this is this visited 161 days, something like, I don't know, last seen this week on consecutive 6 times, and I've asked a few questions around my Canva and my portfolio here. It's not something I'm growing about on my Stack Overflow. Then if you went to LinkedIn, I have around let's close this up. I have around 2,000, close to 3,000 followers. Yeah, basically this is my LinkedIn, and some of my certifications are actually here. So if you came and clicked, I got a chance to become one of the top 50 Google Solution Challenge semi-finalists, and I did a course with Dunin Deshpande about Ignite Entrepreneurship. So if you clicked on all certifications that I have here, you'll see that I did a testing bootcamp, Explore Entrepreneurship, Design Thinking, but I'm part of the Internet Society Uganda, and this is by High People Awards, offered by High People. It's an organization fostered for financial inclusion and digital inclusion in Uganda, FinTech basically. Certificate in Python, AWS, and blockchain and software engineering. This is an institute in New Jersey, America, and this is a Python certified certificate by Python Institute, entry-level program. I took this I think last year, and at the beginning of last year I should be able to add more certificates. And yeah, that's it basically with my LinkedIn, and yeah, that's it basically. And what else to share about LinkedIn? Yeah, I just listed a few things here that I do. And what did I list here? Graphic design, social media, SEO, NFTs and crypto, technical writing, digital marketing, and a sort. Yeah, that's it basically about my LinkedIn. I can close this, I think. So if you came to my YouTube, yes, this YouTube, and Dribble. Let me first check on Dribble. I think I don't have anything on Dribble yet. I can close this, and maybe what I'm doing with my design is in Canva. I could open Canva. And this is my YouTube channel currently, and I have around 93 subscribers by the time of this video. Yeah, these are my few videos I've done. But if we clicked on videos, we'll actually bring all the videos I've done. And yeah, this is it. These are my videos I've done. I became active, I think, starting last year. Last year is when I actually became active. I'm trying to post a video each, and in at least a video in a week. So in here I do content. Actually, sometimes I get my content from the blogs I write, something that keeps me moving. And yeah, a few videos I've really moved. But if you just like I'm starting out, feel free to subscribe to this channel if you really enjoy what I'm doing, or if you're also techie like me. So let me go to Canva, where I do most of my graphics currently. So if you checked on my projects, this is where I design most of my stuff. It's like where I do most of my things actually. So if you come here, and you could see where I do most of my blog posts, screens, and photo and media. So basically I do it from here. And yeah, the thumbnails, Google thumbnails, and all those other things, I do them from here. And yeah, this is my latest work. I was designing a logo for my team, that's MpaMpe. MpaMpe is basically our best crowdfunding application tailored for Ugandans. So that's it for Canva. Maybe two last things. That is my Google developers account. That is g.dev@hire. I think I haven't updated this yet on my Linktree portfolio. And maybe one other last thing is MpaMpe project I'm currently working on. So if you look at this, this is Google developers profile, and yeah, these are my favorite badges: Code Lab, Kotlin, Solution Challenge. I have other badges created. Google profile, that was last year. Developer, first app in Android Studio. Privileged to be among the top 50. Solution Challenge, that is Google Organized Challenge, where you get to use Google technologies. And if you clicked, yeah, this is basically my Google developer profile. And let's first go to this Solution Challenge. I just want to show you what happened in a Solution Challenge. So if you clicked on this, to take us to the Google Solution Challenge, and if you clicked on winners and you can, these are the top 50 teams currently in 2022, and our team is basically here. Yes, MpaMpe, Makerere University, Uganda, and we are currently 3 members in it. Yes, my full name is Ronald@hire, by the way. Though I prefer to go by Ronnie@hire. Yes, this is our team selected: 1 in Uganda, 2 in East Africa. That's another one in Kenya. There's another in Kenya. Then 4 in Africa out of the 50. So yeah, that's it. And we are looking forward to actually even getting to the final top, to the top 3 actually. Yes, and I know we shall be able to do it. So what made me windy was this MpaMpe. It's currently the project that I'm taking most of my time, despite all the gigs I'm doing. And basically this is a crowdfunding application which is tailored for Ugandans. Yes, I'm going to do a walkthrough of MpaMpe alone, this application that we're trying to develop, what exactly it is about. Yeah, that's it. But basically it's a crowdfunding application currently supporting fiat currency, but with plans of introducing crypto at a later stage. And one thing we've just added a few days back is the ability to switch from this English to local language. So it's actually tailored. It's actually tailored for what? For Ugandans, and you can see now this is now Swahili, and they recently updated the Google API. They translate. They added some few languages, and looking forward to adding Uganda here and some other languages so that you can actually tailor this specifically for Ugandans. And yeah, that's it basically about MpaMpe. MpaMpe is a local word that means give me, I give out. Yeah, that's it basically for my portfolio. Thank you so much. If you really enjoy it and you want to give me a gig, you want to give me a job, you want to discuss further, please feel free to hit me up. I'll leave my Twitter and some of my contacts just in the description link. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Please subscribe if you have enjoyed this. Have a good one.